Hi, to scan QR codes on your Samsung Galaxy A35, we got two ways. The first one is you can just open your camera app and here make sure that you're at your main camera and then tap the settings icon on the top panel. And then you should enable scan QR codes by tapping on this feature. And once this feature has been enabled, you can just go back. Take your QR code, in my case it would be this QR code from Samsung user manual, and you need to point your camera at this QR code till you can see this link appears on the screen. Also we can see this arrow, we can tap on it, we can copy this link, we can open it, we can share with this link. Let's try this out one more time. So I'm just gonna point the camera at this QR code and let's reload the camera and do it again. So yeah, we can tap on this link and we'll see the content of this QR code. Now another way how we can scan it is we can just swipe down from the upper right corner 2 times to trigger control sensor, and here search for the QR code scanning either on your first, second or third page. So here is mine, we just need to tap it to open. And now, as we did before, point the camera and QR code will be immediately scanned. So we can open this link, copy, we can share with this link and so on. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.